morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 11th March 2022. In the international market, US CPI is now at 7.9%, which is a fresh 40-year high. Yes, you heard it right. US CPI at 7.90 percentage points. Investors fear that the recent spike in the commodity prices may warrant higher inflation in the future as well. With such a high inflation numbers, US 10-year yields inched up and trading at 196 percentage points. Remember, a couple of days back, US 10-year was trading 168-170 range. Now it is at 196. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $108.20 per barrel. Crude has retreated from $130 a couple of days back. Crude's short-term range for today seems to be $105 to $112 per barrel. Assurance from OPEC plus nations to increase the supply has assured the market and kept the lead on the rise on the crude oil prices for now. In the currency market, dollar index is at 98.52. Today's range for dollar index 98.33 to 98.75. Dollar index is supposed to be traded in a very, very narrow range. USD CNY Chinese yuan is at 632. USD INR with a low of 76.46 closed at 76.42 near day's high. Resistance at 76.10 and support at 76.65 exists for USD INR. As far as the trading strategy goes, the USD INR strengthened a bit in the last two trading sessions. USD INR retreated from 77 levels and now at 76.42 levels. Now, we expect USD INR to trade in a narrow range until the Fed meeting, which is scheduled in the mid-March. In the domestic market, crude has retreated from $130 per barrel to now $108. This reduced the Indian bond traders' worries for higher inflation and led to some value buying at 690 levels. 574 2026 closed at 613 versus 617. 654 2032 closed at 681 versus 684. 667 2035 closed at 712 versus 716. So the yields have improved by 3 to 4 basis points across the maturities. Now the major disruption can be Fed's meeting. A hike of 25 basis points or 50 basis points would be a game changer for Indian bond markets. Although 25 basis points rate hike is already priced in, 50 basis points shocker will take the yields 15 to 20 basis points higher from current level. Indian 10-year can cross 7% mark if US delivers a 50 basis points hike. Trading range 654 2032 at 678 to 683. That's it for today. See you next week with the new episode from Night Snippets.